So these downspouts were not hooked up to anything. They're kind of just hanging there. And we got all these drains. I think I may have mentioned it, that we need to find out what goes where, you know, where these downspouts go, because we before we do any planting or any more topsoil, obviously we need to do something here. We a bunch of this topsoil just washed out because there's no drains, or the drains aren't hooked up. And this one just blew off. You can see it. Just came disconnected and blew off of there. And it's just coming out and running down, and it's on my list. I mean, it hasn't really been a huge problem because we haven't had that much water, but apparently the water we had was enough to cause a problem. Not the end of the world. I mean, that's, as far as the topsoil, that's a couple shovelfuls, but still, we need to get this fixed and figured out. So that's on my list of things to ask. You know, whose responsibility, and if it's mine, then I kind of need some help with knowing which, you know, what drains go where, which are drains and which are no, I can't think right now. Anyway, need to figure out how all this stuff works, because there's a lot of these pipes sticking up. Like, this is a conduit, obviously. And that's, I would think, is a drain over there. And there's no drains over here, and so I don't know where the drain is supposed to be. Anyway, I'm not going to go through all of them, but I think there's a drain here. That's power. That's electrical. The drain here, I know somewhere. Yeah, it's right there. There's one sitting right there. There's a pipe here covered up, sort of. There's a pipe here with just caps. I assume that's just a drain. And, one over there. And I mean, I will look at the plans, and then I don't know who I should talk to after that as far as what's hooking to where. Probably Luis might know. Anyway, I'll check with him first. But we just got all these sticking up here, and we just need to get them all plumbed in, because I should have been on top of it sooner, because we need to get this water out of here and not have it running down everywhere. But before we do any more topsoil, I mean, I would think we need to get this done, otherwise this topsoil is just going to be get washed away. So we worked on some of this, like that drain there. We put that in, and then we were told to wait on it to finish it. So anyway, just something that needs to be done.